What's up, Vikings? I'm Annabelle.
And I'm Maddie.
I'm so scared for college.
Me too. Do you know where you're going yet?
No, I don't. But a few of our fellow Viking athletes already know where they're going.
Oh, let's go talk to them. Some of our Northwest Vikings have already committed to continue their academic and athletic careers.
I'm Anne-Marie Krafka and I do pole vault.
I'm Ian Aarons. I'm going to Wayne State to play baseball.
I chose Nebraska because I love the team and the coach. And when I went on my visit there, I was very welcomed and I just liked everything about it. It was perfect for me.
I chose Wayne State because I like the coaches there and Coach Cook and Coach Vaughn. They have really nice facilities. It's close to home and it just checks all the boxes.
I'm most nervous about moving out and having a new environment, a new routine, and I'm nervous.
I'm most nervous about not getting to my fullest potential that I want to get to.
I'm excited for going to college and meeting new people, trying out new things, and just starting life.
I'm excited to meet new people, have better experiences with baseball, and then just do what I love for 4 more years.
My short-term goals for this track season is breaking the state record, PRing, and winning state. My long-term goals for track is making it to nationals my freshman year and hopefully competing for the USA team at some point.
One short-term goal I have is to play right away when I get there, and then a long-term goal I have is to potentially move on and play Division I.
3 other students signed that day as well. First was Delana Hermish, who will swim at the University of Nebraska at Kearney. Second was Tessa Shear, who is going to be on the track team for DePaul University in Chicago. And finally, Madison Cole will be on the softball team for Dakota Wesleyan University in Mitchell, South Dakota. Congratulations to these athletes, and we wish them luck for their future careers. Wow, I didn't even know they were signing there.
You know what else you may not have known about? Some of the classes they offer at Northwest.
Oh, let's go see some of them.
There are 104 electives offered at Northwest.
I heard about it from a couple of people who have taken it prior, and then I saw it on the class registration list and it sounded interesting.
I heard about the class through the school counselor. She mentioned it was a really good course to take for anyone interested in the healthcare field.
I chose this class because I was interested in learning more about the Holocaust and what it all involved.
And then I chose to take the CNA class because I've always wanted to work in the medical field and be able to help people directly. It's a really good first step to gain experience in patient care.
This is a semester-long class that teaches the skills needed to be a certified nursing assistant.
In the class, we learn both in the classroom and through hands-on practice. So we study topics like infection control, vital signs, patient hygiene, and we learn how to safely move and assist patients.
Mr. Nickel teaches the semester-long class that covers the history of the Holocaust.
First, we learned the background information about the Holocaust and the events leading up to it, and then we read a book, The Tattooist of Auschwitz, which is a great book, and then we watch a few movies. The most surprising part about this class is the amount of people who are actually affected by the Holocaust. It's actually kind of surprising.
The most surprising thing I learned is how much communication and compassion really matters in patient care. It's definitely not just about doing the medical tasks for people every day. It's about really making sure people are taken care of and felt like they matter.
I would recommend this class to other students because it's part of our history and it's important to learn about other people's history too.
Yes, I would definitely recommend the class. It's challenging, but at the same time super rewarding. You gain really valuable skills, great real-world experience, and your certification, which helps you get a career in healthcare right away. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys helping others and really wants to make a difference.
Next time you are looking for a new class to pick, take a chance on something new, like these students.
Wow, we are on a roll.
Oh, speaking of rolling, do you know Unified Bowling's starting?
No, let's go check it out.
Northwest Bowling practices and plays at Westside Lanes.
I have been bowling for, I think, 11 years.
I have been coaching for probably about 10 years now.
We practice Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. I wanted to join bowling because it was like a different sport that not a lot of people did, and my dad really got me into it and I fell in love with it.
I enjoy the kids. You get different varieties every time, and I've known a lot of these kids from juniors bowling, so they've grown up with me and being around.
My favorite part of bowling is definitely the van rides up to the competitions. It's a lot of fun, and the girls like talk about like random things, and we don't have to deal with the annoying boys on the van.
The Unified Bowling season goes from October through December.
Unified is different for practices because on Fridays I don't usually practice, and I usually help Delaney with the ramp.
You don't really have a point system. It's more for the kids and the athletes to get joy out of bowling, and high school's a little bit more competitive.
Like any other sport, team plus personal goals are important.
A personal goal for the season is to make it to individual and team state this year again.
The girls is going to be a rebuilding because we lost like 3 or 4 seniors last year, so we're rebuilding the girls team. The boys team, I'm hoping they take state this year because they have the team that could possibly do it, so hopefully we'll take the boys state this year.
Good luck to the Unified Bowling team on December 2nd.
Super cool. Looks like they're working hard.
Yeah. Do you know what I'm excited for?
What?
Thanksgiving.
Oh yeah, what do you do for Thanksgiving?
I eat turkey.
Oh, I eat ham.
Let's go see what some of our Vikings do for their Thanksgiving.
What's up, Vikings? I'm Annabelle.
I'm Amaray.
And this week, we're going to be asking our fellow Vikings what they do for Thanksgiving.
Let's go. What's your family's Thanksgiving tradition?
Saran wrap ball.
Elaborate.
You just wrap candy in a saran wrap ball and you have to unroll it with oven mitts on.
Going to my grandparents' house in Ord.
In Ord?
Yeah.
And doing what?
Eating.
Hi, everyone.
Hello. What is your Thanksgiving tradition with your family?
I go to my sister's house in Kearney, and we enjoy the day with our family and our little kids.
We just all go to my house and eat food.
Thursday, we will have Thanksgiving with grandmas, grandpas somewhere, and then Friday we set up all the Christmas decorations.
Thanksgiving traditions?
No.
What are your Thanksgiving traditions?
I don't have any.
What do you do on Thanksgiving?
I eat with my family.
That's a tradition. Okay. You want to explain your Thanksgiving traditions?
I don't have any.
Hudson, what are your Thanksgiving traditions?
Go eat with family. That's it.
All right, Bo.
What's the question? Watch football and eat good food.
Awkward. What are your Thanksgiving traditions?
Turkey.
Turkey?
We do not eat turkey.
Chicken. Chicken.
Mashed potatoes, yeah. Mashed potatoes.
Moving on. What are your Thanksgiving traditions?
Oh my god. I go to my grandparents' house.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine.
Well, usually all of my family, like my aunts and uncles, come over. I live with my grandparents, so it's always been at my house. I don't really ever go anywhere.
I don't know.
We took the mic.
Hey folks, it's me. I like eating. I like eating more. Getting away from school is always a good thing. And eating leftovers.
Spending time with family, eating, and watching football.
Eat food.
Where?
At home.
With?
My family.
All right. What do you guys do on Thanksgiving?
Play cornhole, I guess. At my grandparents' house.
Awesome. Thank you.
We go down south and we do doggy races and we pick our own potatoes and we mash them up ourselves. We're homemade taters. I kill my own turkey. Bare hands, I rip it apart.
That made me hungry. Let's go eat.
Well, I'm Annabelle.
And I'm Maddie.
And that's a wrap.